Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Rose from BlackPink's Pink Venom music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Rose, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'll come right next to it, say about this wide, and then draw another circle. There, so now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come inside with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So that my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So I'll come right here and just draw a much longer lash that comes out. And then maybe just add one and another one, three right there. So one longer one and two smaller ones on the sides. There. And then let's come to the top, and then we're going to draw her brow. So we're just going to make it very thin since they're really light. So just a soft arc. And same thing over here. Just a soft arc over her eye. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, just going to go ahead and draw a small curve that goes up and cap it off. Then from there, we're going to frame her face. So with Rose here, she has a strand of hair really close to her eye on this side. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw this like you would draw with the bottom of a U. But because I don't want to erase, I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out really close to the lashes, and this is where I would start. But I'm not going to draw it. I'm just going to come down, imagining it, and say about right here, right on the edge of this eye, come down. But right here, I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to draw a curve. So it's as if I'm drawing this bottom of a U. I'm not going to draw that part. And then I'll bring this line down to say about right here. This is where I'm going to head towards. So it would be like this right here on this side. Maybe this is easier. So we'll start about right there. And I'm just going to draw a curve to there. So just try and make it a little bit pointier. Right there, and then go up. So hopefully I didn't make that too complicated and you understood what I meant. If you're using a pencil, just draw this curve. But because I can't, so I'm just going to start right there. So let's imagine an oval for Rose's face. So right in the center. So say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And then using this point is where I'm going to draw that strand of hair. So I'm going to come down really close to her eye. It's hitting her brow. Really close to her eye. And then right here, I'm going to swing out. Just smooth this out. So whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish off your curve. Then on this side, so this is my center, I'm going to just go ahead and connect this side with a curve to finish it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go up. So this is our center. We're going to go up nice and high, and so about right here, we're going to split her hair. So we go up and up. And let's see here. Then we're going to bring this down. So about right here is where that strand, I'm going to thicken it up. So about right here, I'm going to come down. And I won't draw all of that yet because I need to draw in her body. I just want to make sure I'm not in the way with the strand. So I'll just leave it like this for now. And then we're going to go up to draw these two buns on her head. So let's come over here. Just imagine this curve is continuing. And we're just going to draw this curve right here and connect. And same thing over here. Right here, and then bring it down. And on this side, we're going to see her ear. So about right here, I'll pop in an ear. And bring this in. And tuck it right inside. From there, let's draw these really cute buns that she has on top of her head. So about right here, I'll just say about in this area, I'm just going to draw that little red band. And then come up on this side, just smaller, just wobble a little bit. And then in here is where the hair is tucked, so come out about right here, which is zigzag a little bit to mimic a strand of hair. So it's tied up, and then right here, it's going to come out with a bigger bun. So just wobble it around. So hopefully that makes sense. And then same thing over here. So about right here, just a little red band, and then it's tied up, wobble, and then strand that comes out, right there, and then the bigger bun. There. It's so cute, right? I love her hairstyle. So hopefully I've captured it. Okay, so then from there, I don't want to use a Sharpie because it's so harsh, but I do that when I'm coloring. And add some strands here so we know that there, just to give it some texture. And then her ear, we can draw a curve and a curve in here for some detail. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body. So right in the center, just give her a little neck. And on this side, I'm going to curve out and down. And then on this side, I'm going to, it's going to be a little bit straighter. So let's come right here and down. It's almost the same actually. So just draw a curve for her shoulders, and then right in this space, like where her armpit area would be, I'm going to come right here and say right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From there, we're going to draw her top. I'm going to come down this curve, come down, and then it's going to straighten out. Go right back up. This little red top thing that she has going on. And then bring this down at a slight angle. And same thing here. Just fix that a little bit. Okay, so then in the space, we're going to draw this little band around her neck and connect it to this top. Just, it's black anyway, so it's okay if my Sharpie isn't totally muddling this up. Okay, so then now we have that, and then about in this area, bring this down a little bit more. Now that we're pretty even, I'm going to bring this in, and we're going to draw that curve shape that it has under here. So about right here, it's 3 of them in the center, and 1 more. There. Okay, so then now we have that. Let's come back in, and we're going to draw her waist. Just come in a little bit. And same thing here. And then right underneath it is where we're going to connect it to draw her shorts. So just draw a curve right underneath. And then we're going to draw her shorts, so it come out. And then come back to the center, so say about right here. I'll just give myself a slight angle line, and we're going to split it right in the center. So let's bring this down. And about right here, just wobble, zigzag your way across. There. And then we're going to start the legs. So the legs are just going to be straight down. So come about right here, here. And from there, we're going to stop and cut it off because she has these leggings, socks, cut-off pants kind of thing going on down here, right? So we're just going to cut it off about right here. And then let's work on this side first. So it's going to be a little bit thicker, but we're still going down at an angle and we're still getting thinner as we come down. So just keep that in mind. So about right here, I'll cut it off again because there's 2 layers. Come back in and then one more. But notice we're still going down at the same angle. Just wobble a little bit. Just give it some texture, and then about right there, cut it off. And then for her shoes, so just curve out, round it off, and connect. And I'll add a little sole right here. And for some details, curve and 2 curves. There. So same thing over here. Curve out, and then we're just going to go down at an angle again, wobble here and there. Just by wobbling it, it makes it look more softer, so it doesn't look so stiff. So that's our goal, because it is still cloth, right? So just keep going down. And once again, about right here, and cut it off. And for her shoe. There. Okay, so then for some details, one of the main details we can do is we can draw is about right here. We'll just add this buckle. It's all black, and then there's some like a grayish bluish tear in it, so we have to do that when we color. Not tear, but like a texture on the cloth. So I draw the same thing over here. So then when you're coloring, you just add some like light gray, light blue wiggles on it right there to give it that texture. And then let's see, let's come back up here. And I'm jumping all over the place, sorry. A little waist, line, a pocket, I'm not too sure. It's all black, I couldn't really see, but we'll add a pocket right there. And then now for her arms. So on this side, we're gonna bend it and put her hands around right about here. So let's come back to her armpit area, about right here. Okay, so here is the part where if we were just to draw normally, we would just bend it right here for her hand. But I'm going to cut it off right here because she has these really poofy sleeves. So if you're using a pencil, just draw like you would draw the arm and then surround it. Maybe that's a little bit easier, but I'm just going to pretend imagine I'm drawing the arm, but I'm just going to poof it out. So about right here. I'm just going to make it poofier. So it's the same idea, but we're just, so about right there, cut it off, give it this cuff, and then the hand. So we're just going to add that angle, little angle right here, and then a finger. So same thing here, but this side is going to, let's bring this down a little bit more. And in. So this arm is more just on her, towards her body. So then about right here, I'm going to cut it off just like the other side and poof it out. And I'll bring it to about right here. And say about right here. Put it in, cuff, and then just going to draw a curve just to simplify it. And let's see here. And I'll add a heart right here to make her my jaw so cute rose. and her hair, this favorite part of her hairstyle right here. Just this strand, so I'm going to come down here. So now I have this much space. I'm going to put in 3 curves and curve it out. So I'm going to fix this angle right here, bring it in, and connect. There. So hopefully I've captured her hairstyle, right? There's one strand that comes down there with the buns. And that is pretty much it for my version here of Rose from BlackPink's new Pink Venom music video. I really hope you love how she turned out, and thank you for voting my community page that you want me to draw Rose first. And definitely let me know in the comments below who you want me to draw next. Thanks so much for watching once again, and if I helped you draw Rose here today, fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.